Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is fine. So welcome again to another vlog episode on my channel. This vlog is mainly like I want to give you a, how do you call it, behind the scenes of filming a campus vlog. Okay, so luckily for me, one of my subscribers has a drone company and he saw my KNUST campus store and decided to help me film some of my campus stores for free. So thank you so much. The name of the company or his channel is Ura Drone Flight. So apparently it's Aura, the name here. That's the name of the company. I think it's same on YouTube, Instagram. I don't know of the other social media handles, but he will tell you all of that. So thank you so much. His name is Samuel. Thank you so much, Samuel, for helping out your girl. So let's go. Okay guys, I am here. What's the name of this place? The Unity Bus Stop. I'm waiting for Eva. Let me show you around. Okay, Kunti is just here, so I'm waiting for Eva and the guy Samuel, the drone guy. So let's wait for them. The school that have won like 5 times, they are supporting them instead of giving others the chance to also make it.
I was making nice in my class stage, so they were not supporting the people because they said I was annoying them.
I won't bring your face in, don't worry. I didn't know drones are this small.
Big ones are there.
How much do you buy yours?
Did you people make it yourself or
I don't
something?
like answering that question.
Okay.
And people will be like,
Approximately, okay, don't give me the exact.
People will think that you are DB.
Yeah,
But it's good to be DB, or you don't want them to come and ask you for money.
In fact, I'm not DB. Okay, the DB, there are 2 versions. I'm the second one. So
What are the 2 versions?
we have Daviba, then Dadaba, Daviba.
Explain. Which one is a Daviba?
Oh, I need Daviba there. You want me to go bent, you know?
Well, you don't answer my question. How much is it?
It's around $2,000.
And how much
Dollars,
is
oh.
Sir,
Osmo, how much is it?
Osmo. Which version of Osmo?
I don't know, but I know there is an Osmo.
I think the new Osmo, OM4.
There is a new Osmo.
Yeah, it was released late last month. It's around.
Eva,
it's
how
around
come you know
$120.
of these things?
I told you I work with multimedia.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, really? The Osmo is just a gimbal.
Yeah.
I use Zoom. I'm planning to get an Osmo verse, the Osmo 4. Because some
But
features
I
that I
realize
really
most
like.
bloggers use Osmo
Yeah,
comparing to
the drone. Well, with Osmo,
See, drone is like a wide shot.
sure, and then with drone you can just move up
Yeah.
and down and then to other
But I
things.
don't think if I want to vlog, I will need something wide.
Oh no, the gimbal is okay for you. You can check this one out.
And how much is that?
Oh, this one is. Well, since I've been buying online, sorry if I give you the currency in dollars. It was around $80.
Which one is this?
Oh, let me it's a gimbal.
How much is it?
Around $70, $80. I forgot.
$80. Oh,
then
It's
it's
not that
okay.
expensive. It's not that expensive.
Capture that.
So I've requested for unlocking that. It has been unlocked.
That's
Okay, so requesting for
fast.
it is easy. Requesting for it is very
I
easy.
think my drone is registered, so.
Ah, if you register.
I have to buy a drone.
But sometimes you have to request before you go to the site, especially if you are shooting at the airport and Casa.
Oh, Eva, I'm happy for some reason that you know about drones. Woo!
Go so.
God. Water? No. Yeah, I want to
What
pee already.
Want some drinks?
I'm good, thank you, dear. Hi guys. So today we couldn't. Eva is smiling. Okay, hurry up. Okay, hurry up and go and stand in the shade. We couldn't really capture much because there are a lot of security men around who are preventing us from taking shots. So we've decided to come tomorrow, which will be a Sunday, and hopefully they would not be around, or like less people would be around, and we'll take our shots. So I'll see you all tomorrow. As I told you yesterday, we couldn't film and we decided to continue on Sunday, but we realized there are some security men around, but still someone and we are still filming. He says he will not be part. He doesn't want me to show his face still, but he's doing well. When he is comfortable, he will join us. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I said I'll continue today, so that's it. See ya.
Really?
Aside from being a math teacher, I don't know.
They are going to beat you.
So, yeah. So, and the only engineering course I knew was petroleum engineering. Okay guys, we are done for the day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I wanted to give you a little background scene of how we recorded the campus residence vlog. If you know you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the post notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.